Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So if you enjoy watching videos about Kate Middleton, Princess Catherine biography and her stunning outfits, then you are in the right place. My channel is dedicated to sharing interesting content about the Duchess of Cambridge, from her life story to her fashion choices. To stay up to date with my latest videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you will get notified every time I upload a new video and you will have access to a growing library of content featuring Kate Middleton. Thank you for watching and I look forward to sharing more exciting content with you. On my channel, you will find a variety of videos that showcase Kate Middleton's life as a member of British royal family. From her early days to her current role as a Princess of Wales, I cover it all. So get ready to dive into the world of royalty and fashion with me. My videos feature high quality content including photos, videos and interesting facts about the Kate Middleton's life. You will also get to see her stunning outfits and fashion choices, from formal gowns to casual daytime looks. I regularly upload a new content, so be sure to subscribe to stay up to date. My channel is perfect destination from anyone interested in British royal family fashion or just looking for some inspiration. By subscribing, you will become part of a community that shares your interest. So don't miss out any new videos. Subscribe today and hit the notification bell. As a subscriber, you will get access to exclusive content including behind the scenes footage and sneak peeks. My goal is to provide you with engaging and informative content that you will love. I am passionate about sharing my knowledge and enthusiasm for Kate Middleton and the royal family with you. So what you are waiting for? Join the community today and let's explore the fascinating world of Kate Middleton together. And hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So you can also find me on social media where I share additional content and updates. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook to stay connected. Thanks again for watching and I look forward to share more exciting content with you. Don't forget to like and comment on my videos. I love hearing from you. Your support means the world to me and I am grateful for your enthusiasm. Let's continue to explore the amazing world of Kate Middleton together. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe. I am very excited to share more content with you and I hope you will enjoy me on this journey. Thanks for being an amazing audience. I could not do it without you. Here is to many more videos and exciting content. Cheers. Stay fabulous and I will be see you in the next video. I hope this expanded version helps. Let me know if you need any further modification. And my dear subscribers and all my viewers, thank you very much again. And please tell me in comment box, what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. Thank you very much again and I request all of you again, if you are watching this video, please share this video with your family and friends. And please, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe Mother Fashion today.